Our car radio supports original factory backup camera. Wiring connection varies by car model. See wiring guide below. Method 1. If your original camera connector matches the one in the picture, just plug in the harness directly. This end connects to factory rear camera cable. Method 2. If your stock camera plug differs from method 1, just plug the cam-labeled wire into the head unit reverse camera port, as shown below. Method 3. If your car has no original reverse camera, use the aftermarket camera we provided.